Hey, have you heard of that channel called Crunchy Napkins?
Crunchy Napkins? I don't think I've heard of it.
Yeah, they have like, I think, 23 or 24 actually, yeah. 24 subscribers. They make like short, like quick, like funny videos and stuff.
Man, we need to, remind me to subscribe to them. Like, I need to subscribe, like, and share it so that they can get to 25 subscribers.
Dude, why do you keep on walking around the countertop?
Because I'm hungry and there's nothing to eat.
Well, then go check the fridge. Like, expect food to just appear on the countertop or something? Yeah, dude, I checked the fridge. There's just no food. I don't know. We might die of starvation. I don't know. Sometimes it's just really hard, you know? There's just no money in your bank account. It's hard. It's hard. Yeah.
Maybe I can just check the fridge one more time or something. What? Dude, look. Chips and salsa.
Chips and salsa?
It just like spawned it in the fridge, literally. Man, all I literally did is walk around the countertop and I just like spawned it in the fridge.
Well, let's do it again.
Wait a minute. I have a theory. If I walk around the countertop 4 more times, will 4 dishes spawn?
That should work.
A few moments later.
The moment of truth.
Oh! It worked. Oh!
Whoa! Yes! Whoa! Yes!
A whole pizza.